Hi, I'm Sabrina. I just started doing the course and I'm finding it really enjoyable. I'm only on chapter one, but I found it really informative to go through the root chakra and all the different exercises. I'm really interested in the bioenergetic grounding. I did that exercise and I found that to be really interesting to do, and as well going through the underactive chakra versus overactive versus balanced. I found that to be really unique and also just very helpful. I had my poem with me, and all three times the way I said my poem were very different based on the exercises that were there. And I love that it was in an audio format while I was walking around the room doing the exercise, because I felt like I had Missy's voice in my head, so that was cool. Yeah, I've never done anything like that before, so really enjoyed it, and yeah, I'm interested to see what I'm gonna explore in the next chapters.